Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to today's stream and fun with Clang. Or so I was told. 1 second. Let me open my stream overview. Okay, perfect. We have it more or less working. I have the project running on Clang where it compiles and boots, but then it doesn't run. So what I would like to do, did that actually now compile or not? Did that actually build a new solution or not? I think it did. Okay. Actually, I would want to have at the end here I think it's pause, right? Is it pause? I'm not sure. We will find out. Where is that coming from or whatever? Yeah, that's something in CPM it seems like. Oh yeah, it is. Pause. Okay, cool. So probably if we have an error, we want to pause for sure. So yeah, that all works nice and perfectly. So I might consider actually submitting that. Let's actually do that. Fixing Clang CR. Disable warnings. Actually, well, let's do one thing. That's not the correct one. That one is the correct one. And then I want another one. Where is it? This one. Is the... Yes, that's the correct one. But basically, if we are doing that, then we do this. Do we even need that? Probably not, right? Wait. Wait. What am I doing here? I think that was not what I wanted. But I guess we keep it for now like that. Or we... GPU thing. Where is it? I mean, because I cannot do a private one, right? I need to do a public one. That might actually work. Let's see. We need to include directory though, I think. That will not work. Ah, that's why I didn't do it. Okay, I see. I mean, I still want that. And then I would want to have that in there because why not? And we do that. And then the question is, does this have an install or not? It probably does. Something like that. So that should hopefully help. That worked perfect. We do actually hear Onyx. What is it called? This one. Let's redo that right away just to see that that still works. Perfect. And this way we will reload here. And that works. And now if we build that That works. The weird thing is... that here we have Tracia as a library, which is a bit odd. But it might work. But probably doing that will break it, right? Will it break it? It didn't really do anything. Do we need to have that beforehand to have an effect? Or do I need to... do I need to set that maybe to something? No, right? I think that is good enough, I think. Okay, maybe not. Let's try that. Maybe that doesn't work actually. I mean, it did something. Okay, so that did definitely something. The question is, did it break it now? Or does that work if we do it like that? Because that would be perfect. If that works, oh, that's nice. Because I think that now removes all those errors. Oh, that's beautiful. Then the question is, can I do that with others as well? Or will that break horribly? Well, we will try. I mean, that's already way nicer. That is that is sus though, that might crash it. Oh, actually, okay, no, that's fine. Okay. Nah, no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to see where that error comes from, but I guess I can't find that. Let's do a rebuild again and see if we can find that. Or let's actually search for that. Okay, no, that actually works quite fine. That might work, I'm not sure. Might as well just be again one of those that magically works and then sometimes it doesn't work. I mean, it looks fine. Those are all the PDBs that we are missing, which is as well kind of fine. Can't do anything about that. Okay, no, actually all good, I guess. Then let's try getting rid of the other ones. So file watcher, right? That is in file system. It's this one, I think. Let's try. Might as well horribly fail now that it can't find includes. I mean, okay. And I'm GUI stack layout. Actually, is that a patch that I apply? Probably, right? Could remove that from the patch. Because I do think that's here. Exactly. I think that should be fine to remove just like that, right? Or is that somehow line counted? No, right? It for sure isn't. Nah. I mean, we can as well do that. Which is not perfect, but It's the safer one. I don't know, I do want to have that gone. Oh, that's the wrong patch, right? We will do a patch for that manually by editing the patch later. For now, we just do that. If I rebuild now, so I think it's in fire system, right? Or that didn't really work. Because here, I think that one, right? It still has the warning lever. Yeah. But it just doesn't output it because it treats it as an external thing. Then here it didn't. Which might be... Oh, because we changed it. Oh, we changed it in the wrong one. God damn it. That's why. System on. I'm not sure, my chat is kinda weird today. I hope I don't miss something. But yeah. So we have that as an error. Do we have anything else? No, it's just E. Well, NFDE. Oh, it's just EFSW. Okay. So we can generate that. Let's see how hard that fares now. Probably quite hard. Actually, okay. So can I just mark all of them as system? Maybe. Okay. So let's do that then. All right. That will horribly fail, probably somewhere. Why is that still like that? That should be a CPM. Oh my god, I changed it again in the wrong one. So it didn't actually do anything, right? Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Well, that one I might have changed in the correct one. Actually, I did, okay. Okay, so that one I at least changed in the correct one. And then let's go to entity. And that one I want to do basically like that. Oh god. All right. Let's actually do one step at a time. Let's generate that. It's already quite a big change anyways. What the hell? What? Oh, Git repository not found? Oh, it's like that, right? Oops. Perfect. And then we have this as a reload, and we clean, and we build. And let's see if that fails or succeeds. I mean, it looks fine so far. That looked fine. Yeah, that looks good. And then we basically still have warnings. I mean, those are all shader C lib stuff, which I don't really care. Shouldn't you be not complaining? FSW. Shouldn't you be fine like that? Onyx modules file system. System on. Huh. If we do that and we remove that from here, and I mean probably that one as well. Because that should work, right? That worked good. But it seems like it doesn't include those as external or something like that. I mean, it definitely did. Hmm. I mean, we could always do... I mean, it still complains, right? But it doesn't fail. Does it not fail because we have disabled our warnings, or no? But it doesn't fail because this one has, yeah. I guess that's fine. Then I guess this one has some errors here and there, right? Which, I mean, maybe we look at that later. I don't know, it's not important that we get rid of all the warnings in the external libraries. But it's nice that we got, like, Vulkan memory allocator working. The question is, we have to test it all on Windows again, on the normal MSVC, and hope that everything works. So the other thing is... Exactly. In the IMGUI node editor. So let's see, then we get that rid of that, and then we're good. So it's that. And probably we just do system here, and that should be good enough. Maybe. Oh, well, that's the wrong file again. God damn it. Onyx data, well, not data. Lips. And here. Will that work? Might horribly fail. But maybe it does. That would be good, because then we are done with that crappy thing. Let's first build the UI one. Nah. That didn't really work too good. Though, no, actually, that didn't really work, yeah. Then let's build that one. Does it work here? Looks fine, but hard to say. Let's rebuild. Okay, and Firewatcher is fine. Okay, GUI node editor still complains. God damn it. Stop it. So with the Vulkan memory allocator, what did I do? Yeah, not a lot actually. Oh, that's the wrong file. God damn it. This one is the correct one. Yeah, okay, I did this, which is not the same. Oh well, I think we have to deal with that later, but yeah. Something here that we could do probably to mark it as a system include or something like that. Maybe I will deal with that at a later point. So let's actually push all of that. We just push that, and we will delete that folder now. Or we don't delete that folder because we have it open here. And now we open that one in Visual Studio Code. We get rid of that so that we generate our Visual Studio one again, like the MSVC one. That's what I wanted to say, not the Visual Studio one, but the MSVC. And yeah, then we go from there. Let's hope that this still builds right. That would be the dream. I mean, it should build. Perfect. I mean, that was not the thing that scares me. This is the one that is a little bit scary. So let's see what happens when we press build. I will be quickly on like a bathroom break, getting water while this builds, and then we will see if it works or not. I am back, and that is not so good. Maybe it's because... We set memory type, preferred flag. What do we not set here? I mean, probably the P user data is like sus, probably. If I would have to guess. It's definitely something that we should set. Okay, and then probably pool. Okay, we have more stuff that we need. So I think we are still... Yeah, still here. So the usage is kinda sus as well. Is that already enough then? Alright, that was not what I wanted. Ah, that's not enough. A priority maybe. Where? Maybe we want to do that. Let's actually not do any of that. And if we again do this, does that work? Okay, then it's here. Maybe that's not allowed to do. I'm not sure anymore. I can look in the diff how it was. Okay, let's look at the diff. So memory allocator. Okay, so the log info was an object, the other one was not. It was like that and like that. That should hopefully work again. Well, it doesn't. Why is it not working? Oh, there's a bunch of errors, okay. Yeah, that's what I was kind of afraid of. So image, while texture, I think, and then Vulkan. Now we have somewhere here. This one. We do that, and then this should be already a little bit better. Hopefully. Yeah, that already looks better. Semaphore. Now we have buffer, perfect. We have a bunch of other stuff, right? Shader module. It's not here. There's a couple more. Where is that? Graphics API, I think. Actually, that one is fine. Sampler create. Oh wait, in No. Sampler create info. Oh, it is actually a problem. Never mind, it's in here, right? Yeah. A couple more. BK instance. Okay, that's different now. Oh well, actually that is probably here, right? No, probably here. If we want to do an alias. And probably we have a bunch of issues with the submit infos. Yeah. So that one. That one. Not sure if that's all of them. Probably isn't. Okay, where is that arrow now? Update descriptor info. No, that actually looks fine. So it's not there. What was that actually, maybe? Hold on. It's in the graphics API. Is it that one? Yeah, it's probably The Vulkan one, yeah. Okay, so I didn't touch that. I mean, maybe. Actually, I'm close to just saying fuck this and... Well, yeah, it kind of works now. Okay, so that works again. That's good. What problems do we get there? What errors? Okay. Actually, let's do a rebuild. I want to see the errors that I get and warnings. Is that because... Wait a second. Okay. So that's all Onyx VMA, that's EFSW static. That is interesting. I mean, okay. We don't have PDBs for the shader. Thing is kind of weird. I thought I had that installed. Did I not have that installed? Maybe I need those as well. Ah, let's install them. Because we didn't have that in the past, I'm pretty sure. Which is like weird. Okay. I mean, it definitely changed something. That's interesting. I'm pretty sure we had that in the past, but okay. Or did I? Oh wait, I disabled that, I think. Did I not disable that warning? Yeah, exactly. So I guess we're not setting that anymore. Or it's not taking into account properly. So it doesn't appear here. Which is weird. Oh, but that is probably not correct. Right. That check is probably not correct. CMake. That is not correct, I think. I do think that's good enough. Oh, that's anyways the wrong one again. God damn it. Is that the correct one? No. God damn it. Dependencies. So I don't think that this is close to correct. Okay, no, that is actually. So that should work. That didn't work. Oh no, it's here. Okay. And then we don't use those or what? What are my link options? Am I blind? Ah, because I edited it in the wrong one again. Where are... I mean, that looks fine. That all looks perfectly reasonable. Huh. So if I... Where did I get that? In shader C, right? So if I... add here that flag, right? Will that work? And then the question is, why does it not work anymore? So yeah, that seems to work. Or is it because we didn't add that to the final target? Is that the thing? That we would need to add that to that one as well, because we statically link, so then we have to add it there. Let's see. Maybe it's that we have, but even then, no. The option was missing, right? So that's kind of weird. Ah, let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, no, actually... Okay, yeah, it is on that one where we are missing it, okay. So probably what we should do is... None of that crap. Or that one we do. And then is that the one where maybe that the one we basically take that one. Oh, hold on. Oh my god. That's why. That's why it doesn't work anymore. If you write crap into your CMake file, it doesn't work. Alright. Getting closer and closer. So that should now hopefully eradicate those PDB warnings. And then we have again the crap that I probably copy pasted somewhere. Yeah. The thing that I had yesterday anyways in like a different, like in the engine project. Because we copy pasted it wrong. Okay, so we have clang almost working. There is one big remaining thing which we probably won't do today, but that one is a little bit more on the code side and less on CMake, which is the good part. Oh, okay. Or good. Okay. Whatever. Whatever it would complain about that, I don't really care. And we have a bunch of issues in like random places. So probably what we could do is do an in-place array here. Of those. Because what that will allow us to do is... and place that basically on the current index. And that will basically get rid of that. And then here we do data. That's fine. And then we have like a bunch of output errors. Rendering info, so probably command buffer. Probably have a bunch of wrong data here. Somewhere, so probably that one, right? Although actually that one is most likely fine. It's more on the begin render here. This one, this one. Probably that one, because why not? And that might be it. That might already help. Oh. What? Wait. That one wants to be... Yeah, okay. Where? Oh. Ah, okay. Let's make array. That might work, right? Because we still have it allocated, I think. Okay, maybe not. Nah. Oh well. So, do we now have... No, we still spam quite a lot. Because probably somewhere it still corrupts itself. Okay. Semaphore submit info, okay. Maybe graphics API, I don't know. In like probably Vulkan. Yeah, probably this one, right? And this one, yeah. There's probably some other stuff somewhere. Yeah, probably this one. Might already help a little bit. Oh yeah, okay. That looks fine now again. We're not getting spammed like crazy, good. There is actually a couple of warnings here. Which is interesting that that compiles. What is that magic? Can I disable that warning here? I will look at that later. Both of them are guarded. Oh, okay. We can do that, it's fine. Don't reserve. Oh, that's not... Oh yeah, that is actually probably the thing. Actually, then we can get rid of that. But yeah, there is a couple of weird errors that I didn't see before. Which is kind of fascinating. So I will look at that tomorrow. But so that works again. So we can probably push that. Let's do one more try on clang. And now we will call it a day for today. Because I'm a bit tired. But yeah, then we are pretty much done. And then the remaining issue is... So I do think I have fixed that, and I have that. And now we just have that remaining, which is the type hash, which I exactly know where the error is. It's just that it's a little bit painful to fix, but not like it's manually patching a couple of data files again. Or maybe we write the converter. Yeah, maybe I do that. Maybe we do that. We run it with MSVC. And we open the files and save them out again with the corrected values, and then yeah, we do that probably. All right, let's open that beauty and build it, and then let's see where we end up. Was that somehow not working, the warnings as errors? Because suddenly I get like weird warnings on MSVC that I didn't get before. Or is it because we updated something? Maybe I updated my version, I don't know. It's weird. I will look at it. As I said, that will be the next smaller project on the side. Because usually I run with warnings as errors, but it seems like those warnings just are not errors. Okay, so I think that our build, perfect. So we will probably end up in the crash with the bindings, yes. Alright, that is expected, and we will fix that tomorrow. Perfect. And we didn't get the Simber stuff as well right now. Yeah, okay, cool. That's perfect. Then we will continue there tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining me as always. Tomorrow will be a little bit more interesting again, because we will quickly fix the type hash and then yeah, we go from there and then fix the volumetric stuff again, which is the more interesting thing that we want to look at. Okay, whatever. It's there. Okay, well, whatever. See you tomorrow. Have a nice rest of your evening, and we will continue this clang story tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a great night, Mickey. Even, and everyone else as well.